Hey everyone, welcome back to Smart 4 Home. In today's video, I'll show you a step-by-step guide on how to install the Fox Sports Kodi Addon on your FireStick. If you're a sports fan, this addon is perfect for streaming live games, highlights, and more. So, grab your FireStick and let's get started. Scene 1. Preparing your FireStick for Kodi add-ons. Before we dive into the installation process, make sure you have Kodi installed on your FireStick. If you don't have Kodi yet, check out my tutorial on how to install it. Link in the description below. Now, let's prepare your FireStick. Here's what you need to do. From the home screen, go to Settings. Select My Fire TV. Click on Developer Options. Turn on Apps from Unknown Sources and ADB Debugging. This will allow you to install third-party add-ons like Fox Sports. Scene 2. Adding the repository to Kodi. Alright, let's move on to Kodi. First, we need to add a repository. Follow these steps. Open Kodi and click on the Settings gear icon. Go to File Manager. Select Add Source. Click on and enter this URL. Make sure to type it correctly. Name the source something like Fox Sports Repo and click OK. Now the repository is added. Scene 3. Installing the Fox Sports addon. Next, we'll install the Fox Sports addon. Go back to the Kodi home screen. Click on Add-ons. Select the open box icon at the top left, which is the Install from Zip File option. Choose the source you just added, Fox Sports Repo. Select the zip file inside and wait for the repository to install. You'll see a notification when it's done. Now, install the addon. Click Install from Repository. Select the Fox Sports repository you just installed. Go to Video Add-ons and find Fox Sports. Hit Install and wait for the addon to download and install. Scene 4. Setting up and using the Fox Sports addon. Once the installation is complete, head back to the Kodi home screen and click on Add-ons. You'll see Fox Sports in the Video Add-on section. Open it up and you're ready to stream live games, sports shows, and highlights. To get the best experience, log in with your Fox Sports credentials. If you don't have an account, you can create one easily on their website. Conclusion. And that's it. You now have the Fox Sports addon installed on your FireStick via Kodi. With this setup, you'll never miss your favorite sports action again. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more tutorials, and leave a comment below if you have any questions.